Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gang Beasts on Nintendo Switch. First, let's cover the fundamental controls. Use the left joystick to move your character around the arena. The A button is for jumping, and the B button allows you to punch or kick. To grab an opponent, hold down the R button. Once you have a hold, you can lift and throw them by pressing the Y button. Mastering these basic actions is crucial for survival in the chaotic world of Gang Beasts. Now, let's dive into some advanced combat techniques. While grappling, you can struggle by wiggling the left joystick, making it harder for opponents to throw you. To climb, jump towards a wall and hold the R button. You can also hang from ledges by pressing R when near one. Remember, the environment is your friend and foe. Push enemies into moving trains, off high ledges, or into the meat grinders for quick eliminations. There are over 21 different stages, each with unique dangers. Gang Beasts offers several exciting game modes. In Waves, you team up to defeat waves of AI enemies. In Melee, it's a free-for-all where the last beast standing wins. There's also Soccer, where you try to score goals with a giant ball. The primary objective in most modes is to eliminate your opponents by throwing them off the stage or into hazards. A match typically consists of 3 to 5 rounds, and the player or team with the most round wins takes the overall victory. To truly dominate the Gang Beasts arena, remember these key tips. Always be aware of your surroundings and the stage hazards. Don't be afraid to team up with temporary allies in free-for-all modes, only to betray them later. Practice your timing for punches and grabs. A well-timed grab can turn the tide of a fight. Most importantly, have fun with the game's hilarious physics and unpredictable outcomes. There are over 35 different character customization options to explore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.